Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to all of the attendants of the International Conference on Business, Economic, Accounting, and Technology 2025. Without any further, let me introduce myself. My name is Cynthia Putri Salsabila. I am a student at the Nusantara University. On this occasion, I would like to present my research on the influence of operating cost, production cost, and sales volume on net profit of IDX Pharmaceutical. So, for the initial, I will explain briefly on the background of study. The competition on business that has intensified, which leads to efficiency to maintain the growth. The pharmaceutical sector take crucial role in Indonesia, but the net profit during 2021 until 2024. So that there is a big fluctuation. The profitability is crucial as performance indicator, the investor attraction, and the sustainability of the business. The management of operating costs, production costs, and selling strategy become a key. The preferred studies focus on the food and beverage sector. Hence, there are not many research that studies about pharmaceutical sector that has difference in cost structure and the dynamic in the market. This study aims to fill the gap by analyzing the influence of operating costs, production costs, and sales volume on the net profit of IDX pharmaceutical. Next, we move into the objective and methods of the research. The study aims to analyze the influence of operating costs, production costs, and sales volume on net profit of IDX Pharmaceutical in the period of 2021 until 2024. The model research used three independent variables that are operating costs or X1, production costs or X2, and sales volume or X3, with net profit as dependent variable or Y. The research method used in this study is quantitative methods with panel data regression analysis using random effect model or REM and EFUSE 13 software. The data used in this study is the secondary data that collect from the company's official financial report and IDX site with 11 pharmaceutical company assembled from 2021 until 2024 period or with 126 observation in total. The sampling technique used in this study is census method which involve all of the pharmaceutical company population that met the research criteria. The next slide, we will see result of the study. First one, key findings. The result of the research showed the operating cost or X1 has a significant positive influence on the net profit. Thus, the management of the operational expense, such as distribution, marketing, and administration, is effectively capable to increase the income and the profitability of the company. On the contrary, production costs or X2 and sales volume or X3 do not have a significant influence on the net profit. This case is possible happen due to the essential of the characteristic on pharmaceutical product with the result the increase of production cost can be balanced through adjustment of the price, as well as the increase or selling do not always acquire a high net profit if it is accompanied by the increase of the operating costs or promotion. Simultaneously, the three variable influence on the net profit with F-test P is 0, 0, 4, 3, but the adjusted value R square is 2, 97%, which show that some of the net profit variation are influenced by the other factor outside of these study models. Next, we move into the interpretation of result. The studies found the only operating cost had a significant positive effect on net profit, while production cost and sales volume had no effect. This finding ensure the research question that operating cost efficiency is a key factor in the profitability of pharmaceutical companies. The results are consistent with the previous studies and able to support the agency theory which emphasize the importance of transparent managerial decision that are aligned with the interests of owner. This means that the profit improvement strategy should focus on controlling operating costs and managing resources effectively, rather than solely on increasing sales or reducing production costs. In the last slide, there is a discussion of the implication of the findings. First, theoretical significance. This study reinforced agency theory by showing the operational cost efficiency has a significant effect on the net profit. This finding confirms the role of cost control as an important mechanism in reducing conflict of the interest between owner and managers, and increase the literature on the determinant of profitability in the pharmaceutical industry with health sustainable in mind. Second one, policy significant for regulatory and policymaker in the pharmaceutical industry. This research emphasizes the importance of implementing operational efficiency standard and financial reporting transparency. Policies can be directed to ensure that the allocation of operating costs is focused on value-added activities such as distribution, marketing, and product innovation. Last one, practical significant for manager and practitioner. The study confirms that increasing profit cannot rely on increasing sales volume or reducing production costs. Companies need to optimize their operating budget through regular evaluation, cost management training, and the use of technology. So the every expenditure contributes directly to profitability. Herewith, I will terminate my research journal presentation. Thank you very much for your time and your attention. Have a good day.